Drones are really effective in that they can fly in almost any conditions. They require basic training to be able to use, and in partnership with Surf Life Saving and the New South Wales Government, we're now doing trials throughout New South Wales to be able to integrate this new technology, not only for shark bather protection, but also protection of our surfers and swimmers and beach users in general. Last summer we completed nearly 9,000 hours of flights, providing a bather protection tool to the New South Wales community. Drones are the future for shark surveillance. Not only are they inexpensive, they're easy to use, and we can use them on our local beaches. Drones can save lives, not only for bather protection through shark mitigation, but through RIPS. Over the last 4 years, not only have our drones, but Surf Life Saving have been using drones to detect sharks, but also detect swimmers in distress, to be used for bather protection in general. You'll see them on your beaches this summer and into the future.